Stop. If you're thinking about buying GrokMAX 4.5, there's something you need to know first. GrokMAX 4.5 claims to give you full access to Elon Musk's AI ecosystem, including multiple AI models, real-time data, and content creation tools, all inside one dashboard, with no monthly fees. In this review, I'll show you exactly what GrokMAX 4.5 is, how it works, who it's for, the pros and cons, and whether it's actually worth buying. Plus, if you decide to grab GrokMAX 4.5 through my link below this video, you'll also get my exclusive bonus package worth $599 absolutely free. What is GrokMAX 4.5? GrokMAX 4.5 is basically an all-in-one AI platform that combines AI writing, AI image generation, AI video creation, real-time research, and marketing tools into one simple dashboard. Instead of using multiple tools like ChatGPT, MidJourney, or others, this claims to replace everything in one place. Benefits. Why people are interested. Here's why people are getting excited about it. Real-time data access, not outdated info, generates content. Fast. Scripts, ads, emails, beginner-friendly, no tech skills needed, works for any niche or business, and one-time payment, no monthly fees. Inside GrokMAX 4.5, you are getting multiple AI models in one dashboard, AI content generator, blogs, ads, scripts, AI image creator, thumbnails, creatives, AI video generator, real-time trend research tools, and commercial license, sell what you create. So basically, you can create entire marketing campaigns in minutes. Honest pros and cons. Now let's talk honestly. Pros. All-in-one platform. Saves money. Fast content generation. Beginner-friendly and commercial license included. Cons. Bold claims. Results depend on how you use it. Requires learning basic prompts for best results and not magic. You still need effort to make money. Results. What to expect. Let's be real. This tool won't make you rich overnight. But if you use it properly, you can create content faster, launch offers quicker, save time and money, and scale your online business. Now here are my exclusive bonuses if you grab GrokMAX 4.5 through the link below. Bonus 1. AI Profit Starter Kit. Value $399. Step-by-step system to turn AI tools into income, even as a beginner. Bonus 2. Viral Content Blueprint. Value $200. Proven templates to create high-engagement content for YouTube, ads, and social media. Total bonus value $519. Yours free. When you get GrokMAX 4.5 today. So, is GrokMAX 4.5 worth it? If you want an all-in-one AI tool to save time and create content faster, then yes, GrokMAX 4.5 worth considering. If you expect push-button money, no. Click the first link in the description to secure GrokMAX 4.5 plus my $599 bonus package today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.